Before we start today's video, I want to share with you once again a brand that recently reached out to me called Premium Jane and their premium CBD products. We have talked about this brand once before in a previous video, and like I shared in that one, when I looked this brand up, like I do every brand that reaches out to me, I instantly saw the passion behind the brand through their team and their mission to deliver authentic and top-notch CBD products that actually work. Of course, they sent me over a couple of things for me to share with you, and the first is their CBD Gummies, which are laboratory tested for safety, purity, and potency. These have 25 milligrams CBD per gummy, and there's 30 gummies per bottle, so there's a lot in there for your money. And of course, they have no animal products. They are non-GMO, totally organic, and they're free of pesticides, solvents, and chemical fertilizers. I also picked up the Cedar Wood and Charcoal Bath Bomb, which is a 7-ounce bath bomb and contains less than 0.3% THC and has a relaxing cedarwood and charcoal fragrance. Just like other bath bombs, it just dissolves in the tub and allows for a relaxing and therapeutic environment to commence. If you'd like to check out the CBD products from Premium Jane, you can just follow the link right down in the description there, and in the description as well, you can find a special coupon code to save you some money on your next order. I also want to extend a big thanks to Premium Jane for sending these out for me to look at. Now though, on to today's episode. What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel for an all-new episode of Shampoo Search. Today, our search takes us back to 7 Potions and their daily shampoo and conditioner. And could this be the next cleansing set for you? It very well could be. So I'm going to share with you what I saw when I used this, and as usual, you will be the judge. Alright, let's get started here with the 7 Potions Daily Energizing Hair Shampoo. And according to the brand, this is a must-have for any gentleman looking for clean, healthy hair that's shiny but never greasy. They say it works from the tip of the hair all the way down to the scalp, and replacing it with a healthy, soft, clean feeling that's smooth to the touch. They say it's even good for enhanced combing and styling, and that's without the conditioner, mind you. Of course, these, like the others in the 7 Potion lineup, are natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and just overall free of those scary things like parabens, silicones, colorants, PEGs, and synthetic fragrances. Size-wise, we are looking at 8.45 ounces for $22.99 US. Now, it is hard to imagine all of that happens in the hair with the cleanser before we even get to the conditioner, but let's talk about that now. And according to the brand, this is the ideal second step of any cleansing routine because, of course, the shampoo is stripping the hair of natural oils. Among the other Harry Potter book full of things we just mentioned, the conditioner then is needed to come back in step 2 and restore things. And let me tell you, this one is basically designed to be the super soldier of conditioners too, with things like Pro Vitamin B5, shea butter, coconut oil, and something I'm actually nerding out a little bit over, brassica alcohol. I'm probably not saying that right, but I'm still nerding out over it because it's not even an alcohol. You might be thinking the name alcohol in there, alcohol meaning something that dries out the hair. This is a fatty alcohol, meaning it essentially does the opposite. It conditions, it softens. Size-wise on this one, we have the same size, 8.45 ounces for $22.99 US. You can also actually get these in a combo set for $41.99 from the 7 Potions site. I just wanted to mention that as well. You can get it into a combo instead of buying it individually. And a little treat for the folks here in the USA like myself, you can actually get these from their new New York City warehouse instead of having to wait for them to be shipped across the pond and pay for all that shipping. More on that in a minute though. We're going to talk about that in a second. Let's put this combo to work. Starting first, of course, with step 1, the shampoo, and we are starting as usual with unwashed hair that's loaded up with product in need of washing, and of course my hair is wet, ready to receive the shampoo, and you can get a look at it here real quick. It's a pretty standard clear liquid-like but not watery cleanser, and as I'm adding it in and working it around, nothing really is throwing up a red flag. It's pretty much the usual at this point. You even got some foaming going on there, and as usual, that's not something that I really tend to care about. It's not something that matters to me. After rinsing and blow drying though, I can tell you that the result was actually very good. You can see for yourself here, it's obviously clean, there's no doubt about that, but beyond that, you can also see how soft my hair actually is. This is something that we see sometimes with cleansers, and each time it's really encouraging because the hair is pretty much already set up for conditioning before even conditioning. So the results to come are something to be very excited about for sure, which we're going to jump into right now. The conditioner now, from the second it touches my hand, it just tells me this is going to be something crazy nourishing. It has that look and feel that you see with ultra softening conditioner. It's like a thick lotion, and as usual, one of the sure signs of what's to come is when it makes your hands feel very soft. So that tells me we're about to see some cool stuff here. Other than that, moving it around the head and getting it into your hair is pretty much what you'd expect from a conditioner. Nothing special popping out of my hair, nothing melting my scalp off or anything like that. Just, of course, this extreme nourishing chinchilla of a conditioner soaking its way into my roots. After I rinse it all out and blow dry it, here's the results, and I'm not even sure I need to say anything. I mean, I'm fairly certain you can see how soft my hair is. You might even be able to feel it through the screen right now. I'm actually not even fully sure that your hair isn't being conditioned right now, just based on the energy level being sent off from this video. I mean, to say it's soft is so much of an understatement. I'm not even sure what word to use. It's just incredibly silky. It's very malleable. It's just crazy. And of course, it's perfectly set up for styling. Now though, we do have to bring everything together. After putting this set through my standard test, here's my findings. For the shampoo, I think it works, and it works well. For me, it pulled out all the product I had in my hair and all the oil, the natural oils, the buildup over days worth of oils that I didn't want in my hair. It did that very well, while also not being heavy-handed about it and leaving the hair dried out or lifeless. In fact, for a shampoo, I think this does the opposite. For me, it does the job of a shampoo and then actually begins the job of the conditioner, which is something, again, that we've seen in the past, and each time it's been a welcomed feature for me. I actually like when the shampoo takes that extra step and starts the conditioning process. Because like in this case, when you got the shampoo coming in saying, hey, I'm going to start doing your job for you, and then the conditioner steps up and says, hey, hold my beer, watch this. And then basically just steps up and turns your entire head into a cloud. I mean, it's obviously such a good design that these products work so well together, but that's not even really what does it for me. The thing that makes me like this set particularly is the fact that they work very well individually, and I think that's the key to making these cleansing sets. Each one does their job and does it well so that collectively goals are achieved. I do though have two pieces of criticism here on this set. The first being the scent. It's a bit floral for my liking, and it just really didn't work for me. Scents, of course, are super subjective and they smell differently to different noses. I know that you guys may get something different off this. To me though, it just kind of came off as kind of like something you'd find in a countertop cleaner or something like that. That was kind of what I got off of it. The other thing was volume. If you go back and look, there really wasn't much volume there. And really, that's not a huge deal to me. It's not something that would make me stop using this set personally. I mean, I'm still going to use the crap out of this set. Be honest with you, I'm going to use the crap out of these two products, but I just wanted to point that out because, as you all know, if I see it, I say it. That's just the best way to do these videos and keep them honest. If you would, though, like to check out this cleansing set from 7 Potions, it is one that I would highly recommend to you. I think it did overall perform very well. And if you would like to check it out, I did mention briefly their new warehouse here in the States. That does drastically cut down on ship time, and actually the brand is offering a free shipping code for subscribers who want to check this out. So you not only get faster shipping, but you can get free shipping as well. And you can find that code along with the usual link in the description down below. And while you're there, make sure you like this video for me, comment what your thoughts were on this cleansing set, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. That is the biggest part. Don't forget to do that. That is it though for this episode of Shampoo Search. I will be back here with an all new video as usual very soon. And just in case, I do want to say right now, happy holidays to all of you. I hope you have a safe and blessed holiday. And as always, take it easy, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll see you next time.